Hello students, this video lecture is for class 6th, subject Social Science, lesson 3rd and part 4th. In the last video we were talking about the tools, so let's continue. Sickle was another important tool of the Neolithic age. It was used to cut and gather the crops. The bow and arrow used in hunting were made sharper. The Neolithic man also started using bones and horns for making tools like needles and harpoons. He also made stone hammers. So, sickle, which is a tool, and in Hindi we all call it hasiya, and it is used to cut and gather crops, and bow and arrow were made more sharper, and Neolithic man also started using bones and horns to make needle and harpoons. So in the figure you can see some of the tools which the Neolithic man has made. As you can see, a hammer type tool here. This is like a sickle, and these are all the hammer heads, and these are arrows. So these were the tools which were made by the Neolithic man. Now let's move to the settled life. Beginning of settled life. Man no longer was a wanderer or a cave or tree dweller. Agriculture led to settled and community life. He began to live in mud house made of wooden posts with thatched roof. Domestication of animals forced him to search for pastures for his herds of cattle. Dog was his faithful friend that guarded his herds and his hut and provided him security as well. So this paragraph tells us that after the start of Neolithic age, man began to live a settled life. He no longer needed to wander or live in cave or trees because he learned to do the agriculture, and which led him a settled and community life. He started to build houses out of mud and wood with thatched roofs, and domestication of cattle forced him to bring food for his cattle, and dog was his faithful friend, and it helped to guard the herds and also provide security to him as well as his hut. Now let's move to the next paragraph, which is the early villages. These two life altering development required man to settle at a place, and these two life altering development, and what are these two developments? First is learning to do agriculture, and second is domestication of cattle. These two are the developments which led a man to settle at a place, generally by riverside or near a lake, and to settle near a riverside or a lake. Reason behind this is that near riverside or lake man can get drinking water easily. For what he can use water for drinking, bathing, cooking food, etc. Groups of people began settling at a place where they could look after their crops and domesticated animals. As a result, several villages consisting of a number of huts came up. A village was generally built on a high ground to keep it safe from floods. It was surrounded by a mud wall or thick hedge to protect it from wild beasts. So, what this paragraph tells us that first, man settled in a place, and when a group of people settled at a same particular place, that we call as a village. And village was generally built on a high ground to prevent flood water enter into the village or to be safe from the floods, and it was also surrounded by a mud wall or thick hedge to protect it from the wild animals. So this is enough for today's video. In the next video we will be talking about society, religion, etc. Thank you.